Hi there, students. Sprout. To sprout as a verb, or a sprout as a noun. Okay, a sprout is the new growth of a plant, either from a seed or from another part. So I'm sure you've all eaten bean sprouts in a Chinese restaurant. Very delicious they are. The seeds that I have put to germinate have just sprouted. They've started to grow. You can see the first growth. New leaves sprout from trees when winter is over. So, to sprout, to produce new growth. We very often use sprout figuratively, particularly to sprout up. New buildings have started to sprout up all over the area. So they've suddenly started to appear all over the place, to sprout up. Now he's 13 years old and he's beginning to sprout a moustache. It's beginning to grow. Satellite dishes sprouted up all over the town. Lots of people suddenly decided to install them on their roofs. Okay, this verb to sprout up, we use this very often like to mushroom, to begin to appear rapidly. So, COVID testing stations have sprouted up all over the country, have appeared in large numbers everywhere, in places where they weren't before. Mushrooms sprouted up all across my lawn. They began to grow, or to mushroom as well. So let's see, to sprout of a plant, to begin to grow. The seeds have sprouted. Hair. He shaved his head, but it began to sprout a few days later. His beard is beginning to sprout. To sprout, to spring up. Crocuses have sprouted up all across the grass, in the grass. And then to sprout, or to sprout up, to appear suddenly, to develop in large numbers. New businesses sprouted up in the area. Notice sprouts. Very often in British English we use sprouts to refer to Brussels sprouts. So you've got roast turkey and sprouts for lunch. Brussels sprouts. Okay, to sprout. This is a regular verb. New buildings sprouted. New buildings have sprouted. And then we have the question of formality. This is a neutral word. You can use this anywhere, in an informal conversation or in a formal document. Use it anywhere. And then let's see, as to origin, well, there's an Old English word, sprutan, and I think it probably comes to English from German or Dutch. There was a Proto-Germanic word, spreutana, and this means sprout as well. So, to sprout, to begin to grow, a sprout, the new growth on a plant. Bean sprouts, very yummy. New concepts sprouted up everywhere. Your hair could begin to sprout, begin to grow. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sprout or sprout up.